Okay, so how to set a Google Meet using your mobile phone. First, download muna tayo ng application. Open your Play Store. Click Play Store. Then type nyo dyan is Google Meet. Google Meet. Ito, Google Meet. Click natin Google Meet. Okay, after clicking the Google Meet, nakalagay dito sa akin is update. No? So, click natin itong update. Kung wala pa kayong na-download, click download na and install. Then, nasa akin is update. Click update. Okay, so after natin ma-update, click open. So, pag ma-open na natin, login mo na yung account natin dito. So, click OK. Then, type your number, mobile number. Continue lang. Okay, then, may code na, mag-send po yan ng code. After verification, okay, so okay na po siya. So, click new, itong new sa gilid. Then, after clicking the new, click create link. Then, after clicking the create link, so may link na po dito na meet.google.com, that is you need to copy, no? Or share. Pwede ninyo i-copy. So, click copy. Then, send to your GCs and also the email. No? So, kung gusto nyo i-share din dito, so you need to share this either messenger or i messenger or i ano Instagram, Telegram, or any application. Thank you and God bless.